fast-paced, dramatic intro sets up the case. Today's case is straight out of a worker's nightmare. Marco Reyes, an employee who says he gave everything to his job, walks into court, both arms broken, neck injured, and his future uncertain. His employer, Mango Park Freight and Logistics, didn't just abandon him after his workplace accident, they fired him. No compensation, no medical coverage, no humanity. What you're about to see is a company's callous disregard for worker safety, and a judge who refuses to let it slide. Stay with us, because this hearing takes a shocking turn you won't see coming.
Representative from Mango Park Freight and Logistics, can you please come to the podium? Is there a representative from Mango Park Freight and Logistics? Are you the representative?
No, sir.
You're Mr. Reyes.
Yes, I am.
Mr. Reyes, what in the world happened to you, brother?
Well, it was a little more than a slip and fall at work.
Okay.
I happened to
Give me a second. It shows here that you're suing Mango Freight. Pain and suffering. Unpaid medical bills. Did this happen at you work for Mango Freight?
Well,
Mango Park Freight and Logistics. You work for them?
I used to. Yes, they actually fired me.
Okay. Did that happen at work?
It sure did, sir, Your Honor. Yes, it did.
All right. Why did they fire you?
That's a question I still haven't even had to answer myself.
Let's go before that. How did you get injured?
Well, just another day at work. You know, we had a big order come in, and I was moving a few crates to a pallet, and one of the pallets, I guess, had a loose board. Everything was falling off of it. I was trying to save it, and you know, this happened. I got crushed under a huge box. So
what you're saying is that the pallet, you were moving the pallet, and one of the boards within the pallet, you said it broke off, and that caused the product or the merchandise to fall onto you?
Precisely, Your Honor.
Okay, what injuries did you suffer exactly?
Well, both my arms broken, concussion. I might have a tweak on my neck. I mean, my spinal cord. I mean, everything up top is pretty much done, Your Honor. I mean,
okay, so I really wish I had a representative for
Clarification plus empathy plus tension buildup. You can hear the exhaustion in Marco's voice. He's not exaggerating. Both arms broken, concussion, spinal strain. For any company, this would immediately trigger a workers' compensation claim. But instead of support, he got silence and a pink slip. This moment highlights a key legal issue: retaliatory termination. In most U.S. states, firing someone for being injured on the job is not just unethical, it's illegal. So when Marco says he still doesn't know why he was fired, that's the red flag Judge Porter is about to chase down.
You work for them?
I used to, yes. They actually fired me.
Okay. Did that happen at work?
It sure did, sir, Your Honor. Yes, it did.
All right. Why did they fire you?
That's a question I still haven't even had to answer myself.
Let's go before that. How did you get injured?
Well, just another day at work. You know, we had a big order come in, and I was moving a few crates to a pallet, and one of the pallets, I guess, had a loose board. Everything was falling off of it. I was trying to save it, and you know, this happened. I got crushed under a huge box. So
what you're saying is that the pallet, you were moving the pallet, and one of the boards within the pallet, you said it broke off, and that caused the product or the merchandise to fall onto you?
Precisely, Your Honor.
Okay, what injuries did you suffer exactly?
Well, both my arms broken, concussion. I might have a tweak on my neck. I mean, my spinal cord. I mean, everything up top is pretty much done, Your Honor. I mean,
okay, so I really wish I had a representative from here to explain. So why did they? Okay. What did they tell you in relation to your termination? They said they had to say something. What did they say?
Your Honor, the only thing I received after, you know, all this doctor stuff, I got a text from my manager, and he told me I will no longer be needed. I was left like dumbstruck. I didn't understand. I got hurt on the job and it's my fault? That doesn't make sense. I'm outraged. I'm coming here just to let the truth out, just to have justice served.
Wait a minute. You got injured at work doing a work-related activity, and they fired you because of your injury? Is that what I'm hearing?
I mean, that's the only explanation. They didn't even really let me go with an explanation. Just, I will no longer be needed.
Okay, let me ask you this. In relation to the medical bills, who paid for that? The company paid for this, correct?
Well, they were supposed to, but I haven't really received anything from them or any compensation of any sort from them. So,
do the employees at this particular business, is there a union at this location? You guys unionized? No?
Not that I know of, Your Honor, no. They don't really handle things very, good there, as you can see.
Okay. Did you have personal insurance as well as when you were working at this company? Or I guess what I'm asking is, was the insurance via the company or was it on your own?
No, Your Honor, I do not have insurance as well. And the company's insurance hasn't even reached out, hasn't paid anything.
Okay, so the company...
Legal insight plus emotional reaction plus engagement question. This is where things get disturbing. The company has insurance for employees, yet the insurer refuses to even return Marco's calls. That's a double failure, corporate and systemic. Under standard labor law, the employer is responsible for ensuring the workers' medical costs are covered. If they don't, they could face penalties from OSHA and state labor boards. Viewers, let's be real. What would you do if you were injured at work and your company ghosted you? Comment below, because this case could happen to anyone.
Has insurance for the employees, but the insurance company has not gotten in contact. Have you tried to get in contact with the insurance company?
I do. It just straight to voicemail. It's like they're avoiding me like the plague. I don't get it. I'm just trying to get compensated. I mean, you see, I'm a young man. I can't do a lot of things now with this. I mean, it's terrible.
Okay. Do you have a do you give me a second here? Give me a second. Mango Park Freight and Logistics. That's the. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Okay. Hold on. I'm looking that up right now. Hold on. What's your boss's name?
George.
George what?
Perez.
Hello. Hi, this is Judge James Porter, Mango Park Circuit Court. How are you doing this morning? I'm trying to reach George Perez, please. No, really, I am a judge. I'm calling in reference because I have a Marco Reyes here in my courtroom, and he's suing your company, and I was expecting a representative from Mango Park Freight and Logistics because I know we sent a subpoena to your company, and I need to speak to Mr. Perez and find out why there's no one here and to ask some certain questions I have. Oh, he'll get back with me. Okay, but I understand, but Oh, okay. That's how you feel. Oh, okay. You know what? Don't worry about it. No. Don't worry about it. I know how to handle this. Okay, thank you. You have a good day. Apparently, they don't care too much about you.
Reaction plus explanation of courtroom drama. Now this is Courtroom TV Gold and real justice in motion. Judge Porter isn't playing games. When the company doesn't show up, he calls them directly. You can hear the disbelief in his tone, a sitting judge having to track down a business mid-hearing. This moment isn't just dramatic. It's a statement. Ignoring a court subpoena is a serious offense, and when the company hangs up, it seals their fate. From this point on, Judge Porter is done giving chances. He's about to make an example of Mango Park Freight.
And they don't care too much about this court. But I have something for that. I have something for that. Mr. Reyes, sir, it appears to me that, hold on, let me check my notes here. Okay. Here's what I don't understand. If you're working at somebody's company and you get injured, and then shortly thereafter they say, we don't need you anymore. They also say, we're not going to pay for your medical expenses. What that's telling me is that they really never cared about that employee to begin with. You weren't valuable. We can just go get somebody else. How long were you at this company?
6 months, sir.
6 months, okay. And maybe this is their thing. 6 months. Did you make probation?
Yep, the 3-month probation was all done. I was in there full time. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Okay, all right. Well, apparently Mango Park Freight and Logistics has a certain aura about themselves. So I think they need a reminder that they should care about their people and they need to learn how to respect the courts. So what I'm going to do, because I did see here where you did ask for $7,500 for pain and suffering, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to grant you $250,000 for pain and suffering.
Oh, very generous of you, Your Honor. Thank you.
And I'm going to get in contact with the Occupational Safety and Health Administration to find out what their business practices are as far as protecting the safety of their employees, because somehow I think that is in a questionable, they have questionable practices.
Absolutely.
Over there.
I mean, you see what I'm dealing with now.
I see what you're dealing with. But I hope that $250,000 helps out a little bit.
It definitely will, Your Honor. Yes.
All right. All right. And
much.
I have a feeling that after this, Mango Park and Freight will try to contact you. Ignore them. Just like
Professional summary, plus reflection, plus CTA. What a powerful ruling. Judge Porter doesn't just side with Marco. He multiplies his original claim from $7,500 to a stunning $250,000. That's not generosity. That's a message. If you mistreat your workers, you'll pay for it. This judgment also opens the door for OSHA to investigate the company's safety violations. Marco's story reminds us that justice can be slow, but when it lands hard. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns that expose the truth behind the bench.
they ignored you.
All right.
All right.
Reciprocate
This
that
case is
energy,
adjourned.
of course. I would just like to personally thank Judge Porter for bringing these criminals to justice. I mean, what type of people don't, like, they just fire their employee for having a workplace accident? That's ridiculous. This is an OSHA disaster waiting to happen. I'm glad something was done about this.